Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Mini Exams 2 by Philip Newman. So this is a follow-up to his previous puzzle of Mini Exams, probably building off of that idea, so you may want to try that one first if you haven't, but either way, let's go over the rules for this one. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these clues outside the grid, like the 8, the 3, the 7, the 5, etc. And these digits outside the grid are both XSum and sandwich clues. So they have to fulfill both of them, not either or, just both of them. So for the XSum, what that means is whatever digit goes here, that's the X digit. Let's say it's a 3. That means you take the first 3 digits next to that clue, and they have to add to the clue. So these 3 would add to 8, including the 3. So then these 2 would have to add to 5. So we could do, say, 1, 4. So this would be one way to fulfill this 8 clue. Now, if it was a 2 instead of a 3, then we would have to do 2, 6 to get that to add to 8, because it would only use the first 2 digits. In addition to that, they are also sandwich clues. The way a sandwich clue works is we locate where the 1 and the 6 go in the column. You have to figure out where they go, but wherever they go, whatever's in between the 1 and 6 add to that clue. So this could be, say, 1, 3, 5, 6, because between the 1 and the 6, 3 plus 5 is 8. So it has to fulfill both of these. All of these clues fulfill both of them. So that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Well, a 3x sum has to be 2, 1. We can't put a 1 here because that would sum to 1. We can't put a 3 here because that would definitely sum to more than 3. So this is 2, and then that makes that a 1. Now, from the 1, we need to have a sandwich of 3. So the only way to get a 3 sandwich that doesn't use the 1 is to put a 3 there, and then a 6 right after. This is a 4, 5 pair. So we fulfilled both the x sum and the sandwich for the 3. Now, I'm noticing that gives us a cell for the 7. So this can't be a 3 because that's too big for the 4, 5. So, and it can't be a 1 because that would be a sum of 1. So we're going to be a 2 here with a 5. And then we need to have a sandwich that 7 is in between, and 7 can't be a digit, right? So we're going to have a 1, 6 pair here, and then we're going to have to add to 7 here with a 3, 4. I notice this 3, 4 is on this 5, so let's think about that. Definitely not a 1, right? It could be 2, 3. If this was a 3, though, that 3 can never add to 5. 3 is 2. 3, 2, 1 adds to 6 already. So this has to be 2, 3 to get to 5. That's a 4. And now we could have a 1, 6 pair somewhere with a 5 in the middle. What we can't do is add to 5, though, inside. Like we can't do 2 cells adding to 5 because 2, 3 is gone, and 1, 4 would use the sandwich crust of 1. So the 5 is going to go in one of these 2 cells, and it's going to be between a 1, 6 either here or here. I don't know exactly how to mark that, so we're not going to. We need to add to 8 here. From this 1. We know this isn't the 6, so the 6 goes in one of these 2. In fact, these are from 4, 5, 6. That's not a 6. These are from 1, 3. Is there any other Sudoku I can do? 6 is in one of these 2. I don't know if that's helpful. We're not, are we putting a 6 here? This could be 2, 6. And then we would add to... Okay, so one thing to think about is how far away does the 6 need to be? The 6 is obviously not here. That would sum to 0. The 6 is not here because we can't put a singular 8 between it. The 6 could be here. Now, could the 6 be here? And the correct answer is no. We can't have 3 digits adding to 8, especially not with the 1, but even with the 1, we wouldn't be able to. So this actually places the 6 and the 5. And then now that's the 1. That's a 6. That's a 1. That's not a 6. This is a 4, 5. Oops. Sorry. This is a 4, 5 left. We know the order. That's a 3 and a 1. That's not a 5. And so between the 1 and the 6, we need to add to 8. Yeah, so the 4 can't be involved in there. Neither of these are 4. This isn't a 4. So the 4 in the column goes here. That's 6 and 5. This has to be a 2 in order to get to 6 in the x sum, and then this is going to be 3, 5. Okay. There we go. And now I think we just plonk digits. This is 1 and 3, and this is a... We get a 3 in the corner. That's a 4. This is 1 and 6. We know the order. This is 2 and 4. We know the order. This is... We'll display what this box needs. The box needs a 2. The box needs a 3. It goes over here somewhere. The box needs a 5. Oh, this is the 5 because of the column. That's 3 and 5. That's 3, and we need a 6. All right, cool. That was fun, Philip. I like how it moved around the grid. It was always obvious which exam to look at because we had to start with this 3. That was a good intro to how to think about these, and then that immediately gave us the 7, and then that gave us the 5, and then that gave us the 8. That was fun. Enjoyed that. Some good logic there. Hope you enjoyed it as well. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.